was brought to my attention that there is a woman that goes by the name of Donna Briggs, and basically she has really achieved probably the craziest skin lightening transformation that I have ever seen. Just when you see this woman, now this video, or like in this one right here, like her on the right, that is her present day, like as of like this month. And then this is her about 15 years ago. So just so we are clear, she has never come out and said that she has done skin lightening. So a lot of this is just, theory of just people saying that she does. Honestly, I think she does. Whenever she was asked about it back in the day when it was just more apparent that she was going through changes, she always said that she would just used tanner, and that's why she looked like this on this side. She has a huge internet presence, so when we go back like 20 years, then we really see 20 or even like 30 years, like we really see like what she looked like. So here on the left, she was already lightening. This is just one of the stages. Here on the right, this is just her more modern day, and I have my theories of what she used to get this way. Because of course she isn't actually coming out and sharing what she's using. But yeah, let's just go ahead and watch the little video.
It's Donna Briggs, and today is the Sunday, day 25 of the Choose Success and Live in Abundance Challenge. Hope you're having a spectacular day so far. I know that you are, because you woke up this morning, you said, "Thank you, God, for waking me up, keeping me safe, keeping all harm and danger away from me."
I said it. Donna
said it. A black woman said it.
Well,
I didn't say it.
Like I said,
I was just thinking it,
the
but I didn't say
entertainment
it.
industry wants you to be a
They
hoe.
want
That's
you
what
to
they
be a hoe.
want.
Hello everyone, it's Donna Briggs, and today
Okay, so as you can tell in what we're seeing of today, this woman, she's clearly had some face work. And when I was looking through some of her older videos, like she was always like that girl. Like she was always stunning. Some of the work she's had done now, in the other videos, I've clocked the cheek implants, I've clocked the chin, which, oof, I know people, even people that like I used to work with who got the chin implants that had been on just different like Big Brother, just different reality shows. Like you can always tell when they do the chin implant. So just be careful, guys. Like there's certain angles, especially in real life, where you can clock it right away. I think if you're gonna do that, it's just better just to, obviously it's invasive, but it's better just to get the surgery than to actually do the implant. Well, the surgery is in like, they're both surgeries, but basically having it shaved down. But of course that comes with its own risks. But anywho, so yeah, so on the right, she is an older woman now, because on the left, that was her already 15 years ago. And then some of the other videos I'll show you guys definitely looks like they were taken in the 90s, early 2000s. So it's just, yeah, like you can tell mostly like her age in the neck area. But that's not what we're here to talk about. We're here to talk about just the difference. Like, especially in her newer videos, let's go through some comments. She still sounds black. As black people, we have a tone and pitch to our voice. It doesn't matter how proper or high pitch you speak, it's still there. Let's see what people are saying about this. Agreed. She got that soul in her voice. I'm sorry I'm white Caucasian, but I don't know what that means. It sounds black. Please help me out. I can always tell, especially like if you guys have ever been in a gaming room, you can always tell where people are from. You can tell what their race is, whether they're Hispanic, whether they're black, white, European. And I say this even for the people who can speak perfect English without an accent, like you can just tell. Generally, we have a little bit of deeper voices. Yeah, it's not necessarily a certain way you speak or words you use. You can just hear it. The weather reporter accent is sending me. She's pulling off the white woman look. I mean, she is. She is. Also, for those of you, so in my humble opinion, she's too light to me. That would never be my end point goal. I like more of a golden glow, but I know that there are some people who follow me who this is like your goal. I will say if you have more black features, which when we see some of her older befores, you can see before she got a lot of the work done, you can tell a little bit more. But if you are going to go this light, you are going to have to undergo different plastic surgeries if you want to really pull it off. So we're talking nose. Obviously, everyone's jaw is different. There isn't really a black jaw versus a white jaw, but the nose is probably one of the bigger ones. Could be for some people eyelid. But I just like want to say, like, in order for her to get where she is right now, like, it's not just because she whitened her skin and now she's passing. Like, she has had quite a lot of work done. We're not talking just one nose job. She has had multiple nose jobs. You can see that when we go back into the older videos. Let's see what else we have. Facial structure, musculature, yeah, bone structure, everything else. You can definitely see if when she stands next to a white woman, I've seen pictures of her standing next to a white woman and you can tell something is definitely off about her compared to the white woman. I wouldn't say there's something off about her. It's just, there's just different ways of like looking. Obviously for how white she's gotten, people are fast to clock it. Not because it looks unnatural. Honestly, her white, it does look really natural. Like when she was going through the process, I can definitely tell what she was on, when she was on it, because just even like when you guys are like on glutathione, you're going to get to a point, usually it's around month 9 or 10, and this is when you're clearly taking more than 6,000 milligrams a day. You're really consistent and you can just see the glutathione hue. Obviously, there's ways to circumvent that. You don't have to just stay the glutathione hue, but you can definitely see it. I think her skin looks very healthy. It looks very good, regardless of if you think it's too light or not. Let's see, there's childhood photos of her and she's a black woman. All right, let's go to the other video that I had gotten ready for us. Okay, so here's the full video.
Hello everyone.
No.
Hello everyone, it's Donna Briggs, and today is Sunday, day 25 of the Choose Success and Live in Abundance Challenge. Hope you're having a spectacular day.
So let's see if I can go back just a little bit to when she has her hand up. Okay, so a lot of people were pointing out the palms of her hand. And at first when I saw this in the comments, I was like, what do they mean? Like, palms of the hand, like they're just light. But I definitely see what they mean now. Even the palm of the hand, you can just tell the difference of where she started versus where she is now. There is a cutoff, but also I think this is just like a weird angle, but I don't know, like let's just like look at just how healthy everything looks, from the neck to just the face, the eyelids. Like guys, this isn't just a cream. So if those of you are thinking that, oh, it's just she's using lots of topicals, yes, she definitely is using a topical, but it's not just your usual run-of-the-mill topical, because not even the topical is going to get your cuticles white. It's not even going to get like your eyelids. Like you're going to have some of like that darkness. You can't just use topicals and think it's going to change everything. Ears. Let's see.
Live in Abundance Challenge. Hope you're having a spectacular day so far. I know that you are, because you...
All right, so she does talk with... I'm trying to get her knuckles, guys.
Stop waking me up.
Okay, you can see a little bit on here. It's not the best. Thankfully, she talks with her hands a lot, but I mean, it's perfect. Oh, you can see here some of that, the cheekbone implant. Oh, she has the masseter, where they inject Botox for that to pop out, but also she has the chin implant. And and she's had her eyelids done. I do like that she fixed her eyebrows, because back 15 so-ish years ago when she just had them, the overplucked look, that was really cool for early 2000s, 90s. But for a lot of people, if you're not careful, it can age you. But I mean, I think she looks amazing. Like, I only know her age because of her before pictures that I found. If you didn't know, like, she looks,
Keeping all harm and
she looks
danger
good.
away from me.
It's just, yeah, you can see where it's jutting out here. Gosh, if only she would stop with this and this. Dang. She looks good, y'all. I'm not gonna lie. Like, she was a beautiful woman before, but it's just this kind of can make things look a little, I don't want to be mean, y'all. I don't want to be mean. Anyways, let's just...
Ordering my steps from the order steps are what? The best steps. You meditate, you pray. You set your affirmations. I'm healthy. I'm happy. I live in extreme abundance. Extreme. I don't let any negative people, places, things, or environments control my peace. I live in prosperity.
Okay, let's see. I'm Kodak Black, but when you see me, I'm white. Okay, the undertones in your voice. Don't lie. It's crazy. Mental health matters. This is TikTok's Michael Jackson. You can't bleach vocal cords. Let's see the other one. All right, so this one is from early 2000s. This is when you can already tell she's already lightening here, though she hasn't yet achieved the pure, I call this, it reminds me of like an Asian white. Like, it is a bright white, but I mean, it looks good. I will say it looks good on her. Would I want it? No, but she did achieve the healthy color. Like, I'm not, we can't refute that. All right, let's watch this video. Her nose is slightly a little larger than it is now. She's gorgeous.
In this episode, we're going to meet some of the finest stars in the event industry. Find out what it takes to create an over-the-top event. Hi, I'm Donna.
Hi, welcome. I'm Patty Weiner. Welcome to Planet Parties.
I heard that you're a premier person for parties.
Yes, we do. We meet everybody's needs, and we do take them to every level.
Great, I'm excited.
Donna, this is Stacy.
Hi, how are you?
She's one of our planners.
So how often do you do the over-the-top parties?
About, I'd say 45% of our events now are over the top.
That's half of your
Half
clientele.
my company. Mm-hmm.
I'm a client. I want to come to you for a fabulous event. Where do we start?
Well, how we would start is we would sit and we would...
So it's a little bit of video. Let's see if I can stop it on a close-up of her. Oh, mother. Here we go. It's a terrible close-up.
We can create anything, and how we do it...
Everyone's, I can't be the only one to think that she was already bleaching here. Gee, this is true. So yeah, so here I do agree that she does look more mixed here. She never felt accepted in those white spaces, so she wanted to become one. The appearance is giving early 2000s Lil' Kim. They're judging her so hard. I will say this woman does look very uncomfortable. She does look very uncomfortable. I wanted to show this video with the radio host.
Anyway,
And they're probably on my side.
take another
People
call.
love Donna.
They're the Republican.
Loving Donna. Can I help you?
Aaron, what's up?
I was not.
Nine on the
You never saw me.
I saw you nine, man.
No. First of all, you can't even get out of here. And you know what? Don't get Nicki Minaj.
And we gotta talk about Nicki Minaj.
Your girl.
Your girl.
That's your
That's
girl.
your girl.
That's my girl.
She got a nice butt. I ain't gonna lie.
That's your
She
girl.
is my girl.
Like, okay,
Like, gee,
thanks.
thanks. Wow.
I mean,
The point he-
my nanny was black, and I have a black housekeeper now, and she watches my
You
kids.
know what I hate when white people say?
No. All right. Anywho, in these comments, we're talking about the co-host Marshall. People did find Marshall, and he has commented on some of these videos, because they've been working together for decades. And according to Marshall, he does say that she has a white mom and a black dad. Wait a minute, no, black mom, white dad. So he's saying that she's already mixed. I did see some older pictures, videos of her even older than this, and she definitely was a darker mixed person. Obviously being mixed comes in various shades, so there's people who aren't even mixed who are pretty light. Oh, my phone. Patreon's going crazy, guys. So if you guys are a part of Patreon, we have a chat where you guys can like post stuff, you can ask questions. Everyone who's a part of like the Patreon, like they can answer on there too. So that's blowing up right now. So if you hear like vibrating, but yeah, that definitely is a plus to Patreon just in general, because that chat, like you can use it at any moment, at any time of day. You don't have to wait for me to reply, like other people can reply to you. It's just a more, I don't know, a tight-knit group. Anywho, but yeah, so he does say that she is mixed. This video, oh, it's getting kind of long. We're almost to 17 minutes. So I'm going to stop this here, but we will continue it on Patreon so we can go through some of the other videos and photos of her from before she started the lightening, because so far she just looks like she started here, which here is already pretty light. So she's already been doing this for several years by this time. And then we'll get into the different, what she was using in her regimen.